Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on the Unger BBCO Ergo 26-inch toilet bowl brush with 2 nylon bristle heads. Isn't that nice? You actually get the bristles with it. So what I want to be able to do is just real quickly show you. Here it is here, and you see I'm just assembling it right now, and I haven't done it before. I just want you to be able to see just how quick and easy it is to assemble it. So I'm going to take one of them out, and cool, I got an extra. And I have it here, and remember again, we're learning as we go, as well as there's instructions in it. There are instructions, but the cool thing is I'm just going to go ahead and snap it on. I see there's a little thingy right here. I don't know if you can see it, the bristles right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and match it up with the holes. Is it that explanatory? Let me see. Now how do I get it in there? Oh, you can push it down. It's pushed down. So I'm going to go ahead and push it down. My hands are on the things. And I'm just going to slide it on in. Yep. Pretty painless, huh? And there we go. Thank you so much for watching.